Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I thought I would come on and I had to do some packaging for my In Color Club. So I said, you know what, I might as well talk to the beauties while I'm doing this, and I am going to go ahead and show you what I do. So each month with my In Color Club, I package up, I choose one color, and then we package everything up. So let's go ahead and let me show you how I do it. First of all, of course, I get my little catalog there. This one is just about joining my Stampin' Up! Family if they are interested. And this month's color is Polished Pink. So I grab all my stuff. I got my re-inker, the marker, and the Stampin' blends, all in Polished Pink. I also get the ink pad, and let me show you here the colors of the In Color gems. So the 6x6 of the Designer Series paper. Now, because this can be moved around, I put the two of these together, and I put them in a little bag. So I put those two right in there, and that keeps them nice and flat. And for this one, I'm also adding in a little bit of the Designer Series paper, the 6x6 of this cute Halloween paper. And that's going to be a free little added gift for this month. So I'll stick that one in there as well. And then I've got all that nice in there. I'm just going to take this little guy and take this piece of paper, or what is it? It's not paper, it's adhesive. It's an adhesive strip. And then I just make that so it's nice and easy to put in there. And then the final thing that I put in is a pack of cardstock in the same color. So Polished Pink. So we're getting ready there. There's 5 In Colors, so this is a 5-month subscription. It's invoiced each month. And I just put everything in there nice like this. Then I'll put in a card that I have made, and then I will put on my priority sticker and close that up, and it's ready to go. So if you are part of my In Color Club, I am making these today. You will get them. They'll go out in the mail today. Of course, I put a little fragile sticker on there as well. And that is it. If you are interested in being a part of this, I'll put it in the description below, and you can go ahead and get your subscription. You could start at any time, but everybody gets the same colors each month. So this month, everybody's getting Polished Pink. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day. I am working all day today, and so I will be filming little bits of this and that. Let me know if you like this type of little boxing up, or just to see how you feel about it. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day and a great weekend. I will talk to you later. Bye.